Hi guys, this is Young and you're in for a treat today because I have a very exciting product to review. Hello. And it is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 in Mystic Bronze. Isn't it gorgeous? The color and the finish and the display. And the most exciting thing about Note is of course the pen. S Pen also in Mystic Bronze. I'm so excited to test out Note 20 because I'm actually S10 Ultra user and I've also been using Note 8 before that, and my first ever color phone was Samsung Anycol. So I'm super excited to be testing out the latest phone from Samsung. And because I've been going from Note to S series, I do actually miss the beautiful S Pen. And I'm sure you guys would have already seen so many Note 20 videos. So today I want to just focus on why Note 20 might be better for you rather than Note 20 Ultra. So first let's talk about the price. Price of Note 20 is $999, so it is 1,000 USD, which is not cheap, but Note 20 Ultra is 1,300. Really expensive. So when you think of the price difference of $300, with Note 20 Ultra price, you can get Note 20 plus the earbuds live, which I think is gorgeous. It would look good on my ears, but I've owned previous earbuds and I'm still very content with them. And with that price in mind, I'll tell you why Note 20 might be a better buy than Note 20 Ultra if you're looking for a phablet. So let's first start with the beautiful Mystic Bronze color. Okay, the cover material, there is a little bit of difference. Note 20 Ultra being a more expensive phone, it is actually made out of glass, whereas Note 20, it is a reinforced polycarbonate. It is plastic, which means it is lighter than Note 20 Ultra. Even though it is not glass, look at it. Look at this. The finish is absolutely gorgeous. Color is totally identical, and I have taken the picture in one of the Samsung shop and I don't think you can actually see too much of a difference. So pretty. I must say, color is probably the biggest factor that I want to consider changing from my S10 ceramic white into Note 20. So now let's turn it around and see this huge display. The display is at 169.5mm, and yes, it is smaller than Ultra, which is 174.5mm. So my personal phone of S10 Ultra, which is also very, very huge, and I thought it was absolutely humongous when I first bought it. Look at the display. Note 20 is bigger, and there is a bit of difference in the display. For this one, you can see. For Note 20, can you see? It is the flat Infinity O display, whereas Ultra is curved. It really depends on what you prefer, although I think the curvy display, if you drop it without cover, it might actually have a bit more damage. However, all the glass that comes with Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, it is the Gorilla Glass, so it probably wouldn't break. Okay, I just dropped it on the sofa. Because I took out the to-go service where I can try out the phone for a couple of days. So now the most exciting part, which is S Pen. I don't know why I sang, but S Pen is the highlight of Note series. That's the reason why people buy Note rather than S series. And for me, after S10 Ultra, I do actually want to upgrade next to Note series rather than S series. Because once you have it, you probably don't use it as much. But then if you don't have it, after using it, you do miss it. Trust me. And now they've upgraded S Pen, so it does feel a lot more functional than my previous experience with my own Note 8. My favorite S Pen feature is live message. It's more fun than ever. I can record in MP4, which means I can easily put that in video editing like in this video. And now you can take down the note at the same time of recording, for example, a lecture. I'm just testing out with my new channel called Young Money. I'll be talking about different investment strategy and also financial freedom. So please do check it out only if you're interested in investment. And after taking the note down, you can convert them into text, or you can actually turn it so that it's horizontally aligned. Note 20 can now recognize diagrams, so it can convert into proper, nice looking diagrams, like this heart and a star. So Samsung has improved the latency of the Note 20's S Pen by 40% over Note 10, and the Note 20 Ultra features an 80% improvement. So I've actually tried Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. Yes, Note 20 Ultra was a lot faster, maybe a little too fast for me. However, even this one, unless you're like robot, you can't tell the difference. It's super fast. And in terms of refresh rates, yes, Note 20 does only have the very traditional 60 Hz, whereas Note 20 Ultra, for the price you get 120 Hz refresh rate. So if you're a big gamer and you will be able to play Xbox Game Series or Note 20 very soon, then yes, you might want to actually pay extra to enjoy the game. However, for me, I only play Clash of Clans, so I don't really care about the refresh rates. So let's talk about camera. For camera function, the basic functions are more or less the same. However, Note Ultra does have more features such as 5x optical zoom, 50x super zoom, but both cameras you can enjoy 8K video if you want. For Samsung camera, I really do wish there's stabilization at more than 1080p, which is a shame. Maybe not in 20 but 21 iteration. Note 20 still enjoys 64 megapixel photos. The zoom function, I mean, I've actually taken them, but they're okay. But if you really want the crystal clear zoom video or zoom photo, then just get a camera with a thick lens. And for battery, there is a little bit of difference, but not a huge difference. Note 20 has 4300 mAh, and I am using S10 Plus. I think I've been saying Ultra all along, but S10 Plus, and it enjoys 4100 mAh. I just charge in the evening once a day only, and that's totally fine. And if you want to use Note 20 or any latest Galaxy series as workhorse, then so I just got the S Book, and you can actually connect it up using DeX. But for computer, you do still need cable. So now I can use Note 20 on my S Book. And even using the S Pen provided by mobile phone, or it comes with laptop as well. So either way, it connects up very well with any Samsung devices. So one downside of Note 20 compared to Ultra, the big downside that I can see is that Note 20 does not have the extra micro SD card slot, whereas Ultra, you can actually insert extra SD card. So that's a big difference, especially because Note 20 series, the maximum size it comes with is 256 gigabytes. Which I think is actually small, especially if Samsung is promoting Note series as like, you know, workhorse. That's why I'm a little hesitant, because I'm already S10 Plus and I've not needed to, you know, transfer my data anywhere, because it's just more than enough. So that's a bit of disappointment. But if you're using anything before like series 9 or 8 and you are looking to upgrade, and I really do like Note, so my next upgrade will be Note, then I actually do recommend Note 20 against Ultra, especially if you're not a gamer, if you still want to just enjoy using S Pen. So what do you guys think about the latest Galaxy Note series? Is there something that you are considering to buy? Let me know, comments down below, and let me know if you want to learn anything specific about the Note series. And I'll come back with some other good review videos. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!